Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Q4 Sportback S-Line. It comes finished in the stylish Typhoon Grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. With a household plug, allowing for convenient charging from standard household outlets, perfect for overnight charging. It has an AC charging access point on the driver's side, with a Model 3 Type 2 AC charging cable, ensuring fast and reliable AC charging at compatible public and home charging stations, with an industrial plug ideal for various charging setups, providing versatility and convenience. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the SM Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with the charging option to take advantage of the off-peak charging tariffs. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the main menu and intermedia to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family on those longer journeys, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with 2 USB charging points to stay powered up on the go. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.